Dun dun dun! What is it? Long wearing, 8 hours, non-feathering, fade proof. MAC lipstick, the iconic product that made MAC famous. This long wearing formula features an intense color payoff and a completely matte finish. We've seen what it is, now let's see how it does. Hi you guys! Today is a reception day. Today one of our closest friends, brother friend, is getting married. Married as in they're getting married tomorrow morning, but they're having their reception today. So we're gonna attend that. Sorry if my hair looks a little crazy. I'm not sure. I see all these Pinterest posts about like cute ponytail hairstyles, but none of them, I can't do it myself. I need somebody else to do it for me, or I need to do it on somebody else. Other than that, I don't think any hairstyle works on Pinterest, or I just don't have the skill to do it. Do you like it?
Very much.
My hand hurts. So bad. We have to get ready. I have to wear a sari, so I only have one color of this retro matte from MAC, and I have the color Ruby Woo, so we'll put this on and we'll just get on with the day. I have lip balm, like the remnants of my lip balm on my lips, so let's just take that off. And my lips, I don't have anything on my lips. Let's put this on. I'm scared. I'm scared to wear a red lipstick. That was one swipe, and it does feel a little bit dry feeling when I apply it on. You know how some lipsticks claim to be matte, but they are very soft and smooth and creamy, and some lipsticks are matte even if they apply really creamily, but mostly they end up with a little bit of sheen to them. I don't think this is gonna have a sheen. If you can't tell, I haven't really worn this color ever. This is my mom's actually, and I haven't really ever touched this color. I always open it and look at it because it's so mesmerizing and so pretty, but I've never actually worn it ever because I didn't have an occasion to wear it. 1, 2, I don't know how to handle red lipsticks, but I'm gonna take it as a challenge today. And before I keep on talking, let's just finish my lips because I look crazy. This color makes my lips look like velvet, and I'm not really used to this pigmented of a red lip. Oh my goodness. I hope I applied it well. I felt like I went into the lipstick swatch right after I started this video, so it's kind of messing with my head whether I missed to tell you guys some information. Let me just go through it in my head. Oh my god, this color is so... It's actually making my teeth look really white, right? My teeth are not this white. Anyway, it is...
Teeth color is yellow.
White yellow. My teeth are really yellow, naturally.
Yellow is the natural color of teeth. White color is used only for advertisement. Yellow color teeth is the strongest teeth.
Thanks, Harpo.
You don't have to worry.
Thanks for the lesson.
You have to feel proud of yourself.
Oh my god, okay, can I do this review? Okay, anyway. These are 3 grams or 0.1 US ounces, and they retail for $19. And I know you can get these in India as well because they do have MAC stores here in India. At least in Chennai. I don't know about the entirety of India, but at least in Chennai you can get them. Yeah, it's 3:05, 3:06 in the afternoon, and we have to get ready. I have to film the outfit clip, and we have to leave. When are we leaving the house? 4:45, 5, around that time. And yeah, we'll go attend our friend's reception. It's gonna be so much fun. My husband's playing at their reception along with a bunch of other friends of ours who are also playing. So, playing as an instruments. Anyway. Oh, by the way, these, oh, I thought this was gonna be not transfer proof. Oh. No! That's so cool! I'm excited! They have like a slight red tint to them when I touch my lips. I don't know if this is gonna focus, but that was a very light kiss. And there's no transfer. That is so cool. Right now, for now, my lips do not feel dehydrated at all. I just can't rub my lips vigorously together because it does have that friction on it because it's really matte, true matte, like the website said. And it gave us the time 8 hours, so we're gonna check in on that claim. Non-feathering, fade proof. I don't really have a problem with feathering generally in lipsticks, so to be honest with you, I don't really know what feathering really means because I've never had that problem. So we'll look for anything different that happens, unusual that happens with this lipstick. And you guys, I can already tell you, I probably am guessing this is not gonna last through the dinner that we're gonna have at the reception. It's an Indian wedding. We're gonna have an Indian dinner and it's gonna be yummy and scrumptious and just messy. I can just tell you that right now. So I have high hopes in terms of this is not going anywhere. I should stop touching my lips. I have high hopes for that, but I don't have high hopes after or for dinner. So that's my thought process right now. Oh, and one more thing. I wasn't really sure if this was really relevant, but MAC is always there. MAC stores are always there. And I'm pretty sure this is part of their permanent line. And to make sure, I went to their website, you know, to pull up their information to tell you guys. And I saw their review, and latest review that was posted was, you know, this month. People are still getting to know about these lipsticks. They're still buying these lipsticks. So my review can be helpful to anybody who's looking into buying a MAC lipstick for somebody or yourself. So I just thought I'd throw it out there. Let's just get ready and let's get on with the day. Hi you guys, it is now 4:21, so it's been about an hour and a half since we applied this lipstick, and I'm gonna have a jam bun right here while watching a YouTube video while my husband's making us tea before we head off to the reception. But I don't want to really mess up this lipstick before we even get to the reception and I see people, so I'm not gonna like bite into this jam bun. I'm just gonna tear little pieces off and eat it that way. So excuse me, pardon me, I'm just checking in. It's been an hour and a half. We'll do a close-up and I'm gonna go eat this bun. And here's me after devouring that jam bun. I don't really think it disrupted the lipstick, but I have been doing that, if you saw me, like that, just to wet the inside part of my lip, because, you know, that gets dry. I yap at my husband, I'm yapping at you guys, so I've just been doing that. Other than that, nothing really to disturb the lipstick, but let's just take a closer look, just in case. Now it's 4:30. That took me, what, 6 minutes to finish? So that was it. Nothing much to report. I think the tea's done. We're gonna go have some tea and we're heading out. you guys, we're back home. It was such a wonderful, beautiful day attending their reception and looking forward to their wedding in the morning. So, we're gonna wrap this up. Anyway, let's take a close-up. Let's take a closer look on my lips. At my lips. I'm really tired. Looking at my lips, it is 11:15 in the evening, and I put this lipstick on at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8 hours, right? And they promised their lipstick will last up to 8 hours. Was it up to 8 hours? I remember seeing 8 hours on the website. So usually by the end of every review, my lips would flake off. They would have tons of flakes on them, and they would look really dry. And granted, my lips don't look extremely moisturized now, but they don't have any flakes on them. My lips still look like velvet. Our brother's baby came to the reception, and I held him and I danced with him. He's not even like 1 year old, so I was holding him close, and I was like, you know, sniffing him and just cuddling with him and just pouring my love onto him. He was such a cute, freaking cute baby. And I would like kiss him on his forehead or his, you know, upper part of his head. And I would see no transfer of any sort, no flakies, no nothing. But at the same time, this is not completely transfer proof. I mean, come on, look at my lips. Look at the kiss test that I just did. You guys, this thing is remarkable. For 19 bucks, and it has a MAC novelty, and it's a retro matte, like it's a classic matte, true matte. There's no gloss to this whatsoever, but at the same time, it doesn't feel drying at all. I'm so proud of this lipstick. Look at my lips, they're still going strong, and they don't look chapped. Right? You guys, if you're looking for a gift for yourself or somebody who you know that they love lip products, they would have so much good use out of this, especially this retro matte. I haven't really tried their matte formulas quite yet. I do have a bunch of them, and we will try that in another video. But as far as the retro mattes go, Ruby Woo, one of the classic colors ever, they ever have, and it's one of their best sellers. You cannot go wrong with this lipstick. This lipstick will stay on your lips at least 4 hours, and even at the 4-hour mark, they will fade super gracefully that only you would know that it's fading and it's on its last leg. Other people who are looking at you will have no clue because it leaves such a beautiful stain behind and it fades beautifully. That being said, it is a little bit dry feeling in the sense that I don't crave a lip balm, but I know I don't have a lip balm on. But it doesn't bother me. Like, I'm okay with it. 2, this thing is completely matte. Completely matte. There's no gloss to this whatsoever. That's incredible. And what else? Oh, and surprisingly, this thing lasts through a whole Indian traditional dinner or lunch, however you want to say it. It lasts through intense meals like that. So that's very impressive. Not a lot of lipsticks can do that. So yeah, is it worth your money? Absolutely. You're not gonna run out of this for like years and years because you only need, what, 2 swipes for a whole day? 1 swipe when you first apply it, and then just touching up here and there, and then at 4 hours or 5 hours, 1 more swipe, and that's it. You're done. You're done. You can go through your whole day with just 2 swipes. Sorry, that was a mosquito. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Completely worth it. Completely worth it. If you're looking for a gift for somebody, or even treating yourself a moment, treat yourself to one of these. It's beautiful, beautiful lipstick. So yeah, I think that's it. That's it for the review. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys had a beautiful day, just like we did, or even better. And we wish you guys the bestest of the best. And we will see you. We. I'm saying we because my husband's right there. Yangalam, can you wave? He's right there. So, we wish you guys the bestest of the best, and we will see you you in our next video.